Hey there! Today I'm going to show you one more feature that we have deployed, which is about the tags of the users and also how you can protect the access to rooms based on the tags that the user have. So let's start. How can we assign tags to the users? You already know that you can do that via the cockpit. If you enter here on the access control list, you can configure it here via the tags by importing your own guests, but you can also now do that on the fly by going to the profile of the user. So let's say that we'll go open Francis profile, and now I want to set him as part of a specific tag. You can click, you can see the tags that are already available. So let's say support, and then we can say that his part is he talks Spanish, for example. I've just added a new tag on the fly. You need to press enter in order to have this tag added correctly, and once you are good, you click save. The tags are applied to this profile, and as a host, you can now see the tags on the profile of the user. So this is only visible for the hosts. We will have very soon a way for the organizers to say that you want to display the tags on the profiles of the users. For example, saying that he has a VIP or is part of the support team. Whatever tag you wanna, for some specific tags, you can specify that they are visible on the profile or on the card. So stay tuned for this upcoming feature. Coming back to the tags and what we are going to show today, how can I protect specific rooms to be accessed only by users that have a specific tag? So imagine that I have this support team room here. I can now edit, and on the advanced configuration, you have one new field here, which is restrict access to attendees that have these tags. So let's say that this room can only be accessed by the support team. So I select this tag. You can select multiple tags. If you want also to have by the people that are part of the Veertly team, you can add 2 tags on this one. Another field option that you now have is to hide this room for attendees that don't have access to it. So if I select this room, all users that are not hosts or don't have access to these tags, don't have these tags specified on their profile, they will not see this room on the list of rooms. So let's save it. I'm a host on this profile, so I can still see the room. So let's see on the Francis profile. Francis is connected here, so he can also see the support team, and he can join normally. So let's just join. Let's open another profile, like Peter. Peter, as you can see, you cannot see here, but if I open on my host, I can see that Peter is only VIP. So with the profile of Peter, I can try to see, oh, I don't see the room here because the room is not accessible or not visible for those that don't have access. So that's one way to hide rooms, is to create specific tags for that no one will have it. So let's check another room, the VIP room, and edit as well. Here on advanced configuration, I can say that this is only for VIP people, but I will not select this checkbox. Therefore, everybody will see the room but will not be able to join. Once I save it, I can now go to Peter's profile and he can join the room. And if I go to Francis' profile, he can still see the room, but he says you don't have permission to join this room. So I hope you enjoyed this demo, and really looking forward to your feedback, and special stay tuned for the new feature in order to enhance these tags by displaying them on the profiles of the users. Thank you very much, and as always, just let us know what you think about this. We are always looking forward to your feedback, and that's the way we improve. Thank you.